In front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit security and privacy. Then scroll again to click on privacy controls and finally access permission manager. Now select one of your device's features to manage. Click on one of your apps and apply one of those options by clicking on the best one for you. Camera access for this app. Allow only while using the app. Ask every time or don't allow. Wherever you decided when you finished, just go back. As you can see now, YouTube just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this app. But you can also select any feature. Look for an app you wish to manage and after clicking on it, select See All Permissions here. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!